Hey, good morning, Amazon. Welcome to the Inside My RV. And no, we are not reviewing the M1 MacBook Air by Apple. We're actually going to talk about this laptop stand. All right, so I went looking for a vertical laptop stand, so something that will hold my laptop up and give us a little bit extra desk space. Because when we're inside an RV, we want to make sure we have as much room as possible. This here is a great product, and as you can see, the laptop is very sturdy inside there. Let's take a look around it though. All right, bringing the stand closer, what you can see is it's got rubber pads on the inside. So it's going to protect your laptop. It's not going to scratch or ding your laptop in any way. And there's also rubber bottoms so that this will not slide around on you, and you'll have a very sturdy stand for your laptop. As you can also see, I have the ability to flex this so it works with wider or smaller laptops. So would I recommend this laptop stand? Well, I've had this one for about 2 years now, and I've had no reason to switch over from it. Actually, there's enough space in here where we can put, a little bit of mail in there so that we keep everything organized inside the camper. Now, do I leave it in here while I'm driving around? No, I take the laptop out. That stays with us in the truck. But this stand, when we're inside, does hold and secure our laptop when we're not moving around. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.